Dr.C.V.Suresh Babu's Virtual Classroom presents Data Analytics Simplified series.
In today's video, we're going to look at one of the most important sciences that not only boosts business performances, but it gives students a long future of steady job growth, as it is one of the leading fields in the 21st century. Here's an introduction to data analytics. While the terms data analytics and data analysis are frequently used, data analysis is a subset of data analytics. And data analytics includes the tools and techniques used to perform data analysis. Another popular term is data science, not to be confused with data analytics, but data scientists work in programming in addition to analyzing numbers, while a data analyst is more likely to just analyze. So how is data analytics done? The first step is to decide the information prerequisites, or how the information is gathered. Information might be isolated by age, gender, or income. The second step is the way toward gathering it. Data mining is what we call analyzing large databases in order to generate new information. The third step is where after the information is gathered, it should be coordinated, so it tends to be examined. This data is what we call statistical data. The fourth and final step is where the data is tidied up before the examination to guarantee that there is no duplication or blunder before it goes out to an information expert to predict the data. In a nutshell, data analytics can enable you to take raw data and uncover patterns to extract valuable insights from it. So the chief aim of data analytics is to apply statistical analysis, find trends, and solve real-world problems. There are 4 types of data analytics. Descriptive analytics answers what happened from data to give important knowledge into the past. Diagnostic analytics answers why something happened. Predictive analytics answers what is going to happen. And prescriptive analysis will tell what moves to make to eliminate a future issue or take full advantage of a promising trend. Prescriptive analytics utilizes advanced tools and technologies similar to machine learning. Data analytics is so versatile that it can transcend growth and user experience in a variety of fields. One of the earliest adopters is in the financial sector, specifically in the banking and finance industries. It is used to predict market trends and assess risk. In the field of education, data analytics is used to forecast the grades, model the students' performance. In the field of business, wherein working with an organization's structured data can help with customers, business processes, market economics, and so on. Predicting patient outcomes, efficiently allocating funding, and improving diagnostic techniques are just a few examples of how data analytics is revolutionizing healthcare as well. Data analytics can also provide critical information for healthcare, crime prevention, and environmental protection. In conclusion, if you were to become a data analyst, designing and maintaining data systems, fixing other data-related problems will be your role, earning almost 6 figures. Data analysts have been hailed as one of the most in-demand tech talents for this century, and companies are prepared to pay extremely competitive salaries. A job in data promises excellent career prospects, so it's no surprise that more engineers are looking to switch into this futuristic field.
Thank you, friends. We will meet you at the next informative video. Until then, take care. If you like the video, like it, share it, and share your valuable comments with us. Do subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Take care. Have a nice day.
For detailed information, refer to our book, Data Analytics Simplified by Dr.C.V.Suresh Babu. Highlights of our simplified series. Why should I learn this chapter? Snapshot. Frequently asked question. Summary. Activity. Assignment. Video online. Just before exam. Test yourself. Keywords. Further readings. For more tutorial videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.